How's it going, everybody? Working on my big twin bobber. Got to swap out the jack shaft gear, the old starter pinion gear, that goes in this big old hole right here. This is a BDL 3-inch belt drive, and what's been happening is when you hit the starter button, every now and then the jack shaft would not engage the flywheel here. It would just kind of spin, which means either the spring is worn out or this was not installed properly by a previous owner. Hard to say, really. So I'm just going to go ahead and swap her out. And if you look, there will be a few parts in the kit here, and I'm getting this straight from BDL. So let's take a look at it here. Okay, right there, you'll have that little spring seat, then the spring, then the pinion gear. Then inside there will be a sleeve, the pinion gear tube. That tube right there. Then the bolt itself. Like so. So they'll be in that order basically. And make sure you blow out that hole up in there. Any debris, or make sure all the parts have come out. And it looks pretty straightforward, even though I've never done this, but there's only a few parts. And the little instruction sheet from BDL shows you how everything goes. So it's, pretty straightforward. Like so. And we put a little red Loctite on the end of the bolt here. As they say, Loctite pretty much everything on a Harley, because they do kind of vibrate and whatnot. Anywho, let's see if we can get this going here. So we take first the little spring seat, that little guy. I'm going to hold on to it with some long needle nose. See if we can slide it over that shaft right there without dropping it. There we go, no big deal. These really long needle nose are priceless. If you got a long reach to get into something, totally priceless. Okay, next will be the spring. Right here. Same deal, long needle nose. Slide her over the shaft. Okay, next, the pinion gear itself. And this little sleeve goes inside it. You can probably put it in afterwards. So, same thing. Use our do a little wiggle. Don't see up in there too well. All right. Takes a little wiggle to get in because this new jack shaft, is pretty tight. A little wiggling to get it in there, then give it a nice little shove. Test it out, make sure the spring